Now it's time to make my grandma's self-saucing pudding. Okay, welcome to my cooking show. So today we're making a very special thing. I'm doing this for my Scout cooking badge. And like we are doing something special because my grandma wrote the recipe out by hand, and when I like it because when I eat it, it reminds me of her. Okay, now first step, wash those hand clean like mine. So our ingredients are, we've got some cocoa powder, white caster sugar, some plain flour with 2 tablespoons of baking powder, brown sugar, milk, and some melted butter. Let's get on to cooking. Okay, so we've got a bowl and a sifter. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the cocoa powder in and sift that along. Now we're going to get the baking powder and plain flour. Pop it in. Now what we're going to do is get the casting sugar and pop it in. And we're just going to give it a quick. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to stir it together. So we've mixed it together. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make a well in the center, what means put the ingredients to the side. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pour the milk and the butter in and beat it until smooth. Let's go. When all mixed around, get an assistant and help you put it into your oven dish. Okay, there we go. Next, the sauce. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some hot water and get my brown sugar, pop it straight in to the boiling water. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my sifter and get the same amount of cocoa powder and pop it in the sifter and then give it a quick sift. Now grab an adult and put it in the oven at 180 degrees for 45 minutes. Let's go! Okay, now the timer's going off, we can get some assistants, #my dad, to come and help us get it out of the oven. Okay, now that's out of the oven, it looks beautiful, and what we've just got is some icing sugar. We're just going to tap it over the top to make a delicious meal, and it would be good on a camp for a cold CubScout night. So yeah, I'll just finish tapping it off. Oh, it's looking great. Okay, now that my grandma's self-serve pudding is ready, we can get it out. Oh wow, that looks good. Pop it onto our plate, and it's got some with all the sauce on the side. What's on the plate? A nice scoop of ice cream on top. And we can also get some sauce from the bottom, and we can just topple that on top. And then looks so good. Okay, thank you for cooking with me, Cub Scouts. Bye.